Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another reporting tip for you. In this project, you'll see that I have many comparison points made, plus a few circles. And in this video, I will show you how I could display different types of info in the annotations. Let me first start with the comparison points. If I want to edit an individual annotation, or I can hover over it and click on the Edit Annotation button. A new window will display, and from here, I could choose from some preset templates. I could click on the Edit Format button, where I could play around with the font settings. I can even save my own template here. And watch how I could just drag and drop certain columns from the window, and you'll see the annotation updates. I can also right mouse on the column info and add other pieces of info back in. I also have the option to apply these changes to multiple by selecting multiple objects in the tree, right mouse, Annotation Edit. And now whatever changes I apply here will apply to the entire selection. Let me go ahead and assign this to my deviation template. Similarly, for the circles, I could go ahead and select all those, right mouse, Annotations Edit. And let me include the tolerance in my window. And let me go ahead and rearrange the order of the columns. And that's how I could edit annotations. Thank you for watching.